Hi guys, welcome to Electronic Curiosities. So today I'm going to show you how to upload your NodeMCU board, that is ESP8266, on your Arduino IDE. So let's see how to upload it. So you can see guys, this is my post on my website on Electronic Curiosity. The link will be provided in the description. Let's see this post. You can install your NodeMCU board on Arduino IDE within a 1 minute. So guys, if you have not installed Arduino IDE, then just click here on this URL and you will go to the Arduino site, and you have to download the Arduino software there. So to install Arduino NodeMCU board on Arduino IDE, so you have to just copy this link which I am going to provide on my post till this json dot copy. And if you want to see this post, you can just see the link in the description. I have provided this post in the description, so you can see this post is understand this from this post. So let's start with our video. So let's go on Arduino IDE. So you can see this interface you are getting. Then go to this file and click on preference. Then you will see this interface. So you see here additional board manager URL. So copy that URL here, which I just copied from my website Electronic Curiosity here, and paste it here. Okay, just paste it here and say OK. After pasting it here, then just go to tools and select on board. So go on board manager. Then for this you require an internet connection for your laptop or a PC. So guys, just in the search bar, just type ESP8266. Then you will see this library, that is ESP8266 Community. So you have to install this library based on your current version of board and also available version. So I have already installed this library on my desktop. So I'm just okay, you have to install it. For that internet connection is required. After installing this, you have done and you have successfully installed your NodeMCU board, and you can start your first project on NodeMCU. For that, you will see on go on board, tools, board, and you have to select here. You can see now here ESP8266 board, and just select whichever version you have for the NodeMCU. I have here NodeMCU, that is ESP-12E Module. Just select that, and now you can start with your first project on NodeMCU and do your project. So I will be providing a new series on my channel, which is an IoT. So you guys, if you like my video, you can subscribe to Electronic Curiosities and share this video. So guys, you can see everything is coming here now. NodeMCU, about NodeMCU. So LED and baud rate, everything, frequency, CPU frequency. So you can see the board is installed. So guys, if you like my video, you can share, subscribe and like. So thanks for watching my video guys.